Reading Pioneers is proud to present Marina the Mermaid by Theresa Nunez. Little Marina, asleep in her bed, will wake from a kiss on the head. Up early with the sun to start her day full of fun. Swim, swim, swim. Up and down, all around. Making bubbles in the large ocean, swimming through. Seeing places she never knew. Free as can be. Swimming as she's meant to be. A long day of fun. Her day is almost done. Little Marina the Mermaid closes her eyes to do it all again when the sun rises. Thank you everyone for joining us today with the story Marina the Mermaid by Theresa Nunez. Theresa gave me this book so then I could read it out loud, and I really liked the illustrations as well as the story. The fact that all of it was made by Theresa and self-published onto Amazon is even more amazing. So if you would like to get a copy of this book to share it with your children or your friends or family, you can check out the link in the description box down below so then you can get your own copy. I highly recommend it because Theresa looks like she's making more stories and is becoming a more accomplished author. If you have stories that you've written and would like for me to read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, and hopefully we can get your book made into a video for many more people to read. I'd also like to know what you guys thought about the story and the video, so please comment below your thoughts and click that like button to help support this channel. If you haven't already, you can also click that subscribe button and the notification bell so then you can be updated on the next Read Aloud being uploaded soon. But that's all the time we have for today, so thanks again everyone for joining us today, and as always, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.